So are you looking to make $10, $20, and even $50 per hour by just sitting at your home and using your laptop and an internet connection? Not just that, you can make this much money online even if you're based in third world country like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and so on. So if you're looking for that, you are at the right video. Watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to share you a website through which you can make this much money online with just a laptop and some simple skills. This video is especially for females who wants to make money online, who cannot go out of the home and want to make money online, whether to support their family or whether to make their career or support their education, whatever it is. They can use this method to make money online and they can earn in dollars. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let me show you the website through which you can earn this much money. The website is called Preply. It's preply.com, and this is the interface of the website that you can see on my screen. It's basically a website which connects tutors and learners around the world. So basically what you're gonna do to make money online is to teach any particular language or any subject or any hobby or art. As you can see over here, there are English tutors, Spanish tutors, German tutors, and even Arabic, Urdu, and Hindi tutors as well. So all you need to do is just teach a language that you are familiar with or you are good at. Even if you are good at Urdu or Hindi, you can teach that and make money online. You do not believe me? Okay, let me show you. Let's search Urdu language over here and let me show you the teachers who are making $10, $20 per hour on this platform. So as you can see this, I have searched Urdu language and you can see someone over here who's earning $9 per hour by just teaching Urdu language. And you can see this guy over here is also teaching Urdu language and earning $5 per hour. Let's just move a little down and you can see this lady is teaching for $10 per hour. And let me show you, some people are even charging more than that. So you can see this guy is charging $13 per hour and this girl is charging $14 per hour, $15 per hour, and $18. And even this guy, you can see this guy is charging $29 per hour by just teaching Urdu language. Alright, so this is how simple it is. You just need to make an account on this website and start teaching the language you are good at. So who can work on this platform? Basically, anyone who can teach any language or any subject can join the platform and make money online. Whether you are a student, housewife, mother, retired, freelancer, or literally could be anyone with the knowledge to teach. What do you require to join the Preply? Basically, you do not need anything. No specific certification or teaching experience is required. They welcome tutors from around the world who at least have only two things: a laptop or desktop computer with good internet connection, and secondly, good knowledge about the subject and language they are going to teach, and of course the communication skills. So how do you actually become the Preply tutor? All you need to do is go to the become a tutor button over here. Just click on this button and sign up through the account. You can sign up through the Facebook, Google, or with just simple email as well. Once you sign up the account, all you need to do is provide some basic information about yourself and upload a headshot photo of you and describe your strengths as a tutor and the language you are going to teach or the subject you are going to teach, and then record a short video introduction up to 2 minutes and then choose your availability. And yes, of course, you will need to set your own rates. You can charge $5, $2, or $20 or $50. That's up to you. You can teach anytime and anywhere you want. No minimum time commitment or fixed schedule. You can be your own boss. You can also attend training webinars and get tips to upgrade your skills. You'll get all the help you'll need from their platform to grow. So how cool it is, right? So basically, how much Preply charges you? By joining the platform is totally free. You do not need to pay any money to Preply for joining the platform. They charge commission when you get any student. For example, if you get one student, the commission charges for the trial lesson for a new student is 100%, and the commission for the subsequent lessons starts at 33% and decreases to 18%. It means the more you teach, the lower the rate of commission. So what subjects you can teach on Preply? They have over 100 subjects on Preply, including languages, schools and university subjects, hobbies and art. So you can teach any of them, any subject you want. There is a huge library of subjects. You can go to the website and check out the subjects and choose the subject that you think you are good at. So now the most important question: how much you can earn on Preply. Preply says that the most popular tutors on Preply earn up to $550 a week. Let me repeat it again. It's $550 per week. Your earning depends on the hourly rate you set, the number of lessons you teach, and how many students continue learning with you after the trial lesson. A tip for a newly registered tutors: start with a lower hourly rate to get first student faster. You can change your rate anytime. Preply takes a commission fee from your lesson to bring in more students from around the globe. Develop an easy-to-use video tool and learning materials for your lessons. They provide free training webinars and multilingual customer support to guide you along every step of your tutoring journey. The commission for every trial lesson with a new student is 100%. For all subsequent lessons, the commission starts at 33% and decreases to 18% based on how many hours you teach on the platform. So this is it, guys. This was the tutorial about Preply, and I hope you guys will love this platform and share with others who want to make money online by just sitting at their home, especially with the females who wants to make money online and they cannot go out of their home and still they want to support their family or their education or anything. Please help them by sharing this video so they can make money online and earn up a good living. So tell me in the comment below what language are you good at and what you are going to teach on Preply. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, goodbye.